Hi, my name is Steve Radich. It's going to be a quick tutorial about how to do these gridded UI. So for those of you that don't have your putty set up, I'm not going to get into those details in this video. I'm going to start with assuming you know how to connect with putty. There's a video on the wiki page about doing this with FileZilla. Some people may find that easier. But one of the things they don't go over in that video is that you still have to run this, compile the code, this make, that they don't go into in the FileZilla video. So I'm sure someone will make another video similar to that. But for now, I'm just going to do this here. So CD is change directory. For those who don't know, I can hit what's called completion, tab completion. So if I type in DA and tab, it'll type out the rest. OP tab /SE tab UI. That saves me some of the typing. So CP is make a copy. So we're going to make a copy of UI.c and call it UI.c.back. We're going to edit this file UI.c. We're going to search. We hit / to begin a search. And we're going to type static void UI draw vision header. Okay, and you need to hit enter. That will highlight the line. This squiggly mark here is the beginning of a code block in C, actually C++ here. So we're going to go down towards the bottom and we hit I for insert, enter just to make a blank line there. And then we're going to type in this UI draw vision grid and pass it S like the others. And really we can put this anywhere, but we're going to follow the directions, put it above this block. We're going to go back here. We're going to copy, we're going to select all this, copy it. Control C will copy. I'll also do it with the mouse copy. We're going to go here. We need to turn on paste mode. If we don't do that, we're going to get a bunch of line numbers and weird things, indentation odd. Okay. I just right click on the mouse, that will paste it in there. Then we hit colon, brings up our command window here. W is write, that's going to tell us we wrote. Q is quit. And then next thing it wants us to do is run make. So we're going to make. It's going to take a few seconds, and then we're going to reboot after this. Doesn't actually say that that's how we reboot, but so we will type in reboot and hit enter. Now the Eon is going to reboot, and I'll go out to my car and continue using these instructions with the grid on the UI and see how it works. Thank you.